Church, one heart. This was God's intention from the start. No fuss, no fight. We could walk together in the light. It's so important that we catch the vision. Stand up for Jesus and renounce religion. Denomination, demolition. That shouldn't be a competition. We can't fulfill the Great Commission. Denomination, demolition. Hold up, time out. Now is something we can't live without. Throw down the doubt. Now is what the gospel's all about. Get back to Jesus and renounce religion. Denomination, demolition. That shouldn't be a competition. We can't fulfill the Great Commission. Denomination, demolition. Shouldn't be a competition. Let's make a holy exhibition. Denomination, demolition.
Good man, what I'm talking here.